Every season brings new ways to make your home more beautiful, functional, and personal. This latest collection from IKEA blends timeless craftsmanship with smart, modern details. Whether you're preserving garden harvests, setting the table for friends, or creating a cozy corner to relax in, each piece is thoughtfully designed to be used and loved every day, with materials and finishes that feel as good as they look. 1. The KÖSSEBÄR harvesting basket takes you straight back to the days of gathering berries and vegetables in the open air. Hand-woven from poplar, each one has its own character, with sturdy handles and a look that's just as lovely for storage as it is for picking produce. 2. KÖSSEBÄR food drying rack is a nod to time-tested ways of preserving nature's best. Two bamboo trays let you dry herbs, mushrooms, or fruits in style, while their detachable design makes it easy to use them separately. Naturally warm, naturally beautiful. 4. The KÖSSEBÄR resealable bag is reusable, practical, and ready for anything from summer's harvest to small household items. A readable label keeps you organized, and its stand-up base makes filling easy, hot, cold, or frozen. 5. RÄTTAREN storage boxes bring order to your workspace with style. Sturdy, dotted, and made from recycled paperboard, the two sizes fit papers, accessories, or keepsakes beautifully, whether on a desk or in a living room shelf. 6. DAGGASTER mug is made for coffee moments that feel timeless. Rustic stoneware in light beige with speckled detail brings warmth to everyday routines and elegance to special gatherings. 7. The MÄVINN placemat pairs natural jute with hand-embroidered details in black and white. Every piece is woven in Bangladesh by women artisans, making each table setting both beautiful and meaningful. 8. MÄVINN green stoneware plate is handcrafted with a subtle geometric embossed rim. Durable enough for daily use and elegant enough for guests, it frames every meal with a quiet touch of artistry. 9. Nessinja table blends modern farmhouse charm with everyday practicality. A round wood veneer top and solid legs invite conversation, while the unique wood grain makes every table one of a kind. 10. The Nessinja chair is built for long, relaxed meals. With a slatted high back, padded seat in washable Calenda fabric, and solid hardwood frame, it's as comfortable as it is classic. 11. Tilligged brass-colored serving set makes every dish feel a little more celebratory. 3 stainless steel pieces with a golden sheen bring elegance to soups, salads, and everything in between. 12. KÖSSEBÄR dish towels mix absorbent cotton and jute in classic patterns that keep their color wash after wash. Great for drying dishes or simply adding a warm, homely feel to the kitchen. 13. The KÖSSEBÄR apron in sunny yellow and white checks makes cooking mess-free and cheerful. With an adjustable strap, handy pocket, and side loop for a towel, it's ready for any kitchen project. 14. Kudlava table lamp softens your space with a gentle glow through its pleated shade. Made partly from recycled plastic and topped with a wooden knob, it's Scandinavian simplicity at its most inviting. 'From handcrafted details to smart, space-conscious designs, these new IKEA arrivals prove that functionality can be full of charm. Whether you're looking to refresh your dining table, upgrade your storage, or simply add a cozy accent, each piece is made to fit seamlessly into your life and make it a little more beautiful every day.